Hello and welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we're going to be undecorating for Christmas as well as putting everything away, decluttering Christmas decorations, and cleaning the house. So we still have all of our indoor Christmas decorations up. I need to go ahead and put those up and go through them, see if anything's gonna go. I have a bunch of stuff upstairs. We need to go ahead and get everything back the way it goes. We also still kind of have a mess from this weekend that we need to clean up. We need to do laundry today. The kitchen is also a bit of a mess. So yeah, we still have all of the decorations up, and even on the porch, we still have some of our outdoor, still have our Christmas trees and rug, and the wreath on our door. But our yard decorations have been put up other than what's on the porch. So we need to go ahead and get that done. Today is Monday, January 4th, so this is a good time for us. We like to wait until after New Year's if we can, but we want to go ahead and get this back up before we start school next week and just kind of get our house back to normal. I am going to be missing some decor since we moved. I really never got like couch pillows and things like that. We just bought stuff for fall because we moved in the middle of August. So I am going to probably have a few of these pillows that I can use. I've kind of got just some off-white ones that we had at our other house. But once I put up these Christmas pillows, we're probably gonna need new pillows. However, we are gonna wait a while to get those because we are doing a no-spend January, which I will be talking about what we're doing and giving you information on that and our January goals, and telling you how you can participate if you would like to do it along with us, and that will be in Friday's video. So we started out by Katie and I just taking all of the dining room decorations down and putting them on the table so that we could come back and pack them later. Then I moved on to the kitchen and basically just all around the downstairs, taking down the decorations and putting them on the table.
Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broke.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't want to know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, 'cause I don't want to waste my time.
It always amazes me how much faster it is to take down Christmas decorations than to put them up in the first place.
The same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you.
Now that we had gotten everything taken down, Gary was bringing our totes from the upstairs storage closet downstairs so we could pack everything up. One of our goals is to be able to organize this closet when we get done with putting all the Christmas decorations up.
I don't want to waste my time, no. Maybe you don't want to know. You don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known inside.
Can you put the top on?
You gotta hold it down for you. Got it? Nice job. This part.
Life is a winding road.
Daddy doing my good deeds.
You're doing your good.
Good deeds.
You're doing your good deeds.
Yeah, we'll make high five for
The
mom.
traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Now that we've gotten most of the things taken back upstairs in the boxes, I'm just dusting our dining room so we can start putting out the decorations that were here before. We had just stored those in our Christmas boxes upstairs, and now we're just putting everything back out again. That Hilton Head Island map was actually one of my Christmas gifts.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my...
Now Gary is packing up the trees. We actually keep all of the Christmas trees in the attic. We really don't have a lot of storage in this house, so it's really the only place that we have to store it, unless we wanted to clutter up the garage with Christmas decorations.
Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Now we're switching gears to take down the Christmas tree. We're putting all the ornaments in our little storage boxes, and it is so amazing to me how quickly you can undecorate a Christmas tree and how long it takes to actually decorate it. Okay, it is the next day. Today is Tuesday, January 5th. We are still working on getting our house back. We did get the Christmas tree put up and most everything sorted back out. I need to vacuum the floors and get a couple more things put upstairs and wipe down the counters in the kitchen and vacuum. And then the upstairs storage room, we need to sort that out.
I never thought breakups were pretty. You told a lie, I let you go. You started the words that I completed, but that was then, so long ago. I told you then, like I say now, that we were golden. Now you're not here, you brought us down, I told you so. Oh, how I wish I didn't care, that we were okay, that I could just erase, rewind, let it roll. Meet me back here next year, and I'll be fine by then. We were on a high, but now we're letting go and finding...
These are all the Christmas decorations. These are the ornaments for the tree. There's a few more ornaments in one of the green boxes, and then the rest is just decor from around the house, and there's one whole box of garland. And then these are our lights for YouTube, and then also some filters. So those need to be on the outside. We ended up with one empty box, which I think we're just going to put that in the attic. And then in here, we got chemistry stuff, art stuff, and then all of our like annuals and photo albums and our Easter baskets, Sophie's nativity scene, and an older camera. And then down here, this is all of our fall stuff. This is like breakable Christmas stuff. And then we've got the rest of the floor space here. So we're gonna go ahead and take these totes and get them in this closet. Try to probably stack them up as high as we can. Try to make use of this floor space.
All I know from now, I'm thinking about myself. I'm minding just my own. So when we meet again, I'm fine by then. Fine by then. I'll be fine by then. I go to bed to get up early. I go to work and not much change. I met a girl and she's quite funny, but I'm not quite there, ready for love. It's been alright without you here, though it was better when you were there right by my side that long ago. Oh, how I wish I didn't care if I was okay, that I could just erase.
All right, so this turned out pretty good. We have some art that we may or may not use here. We hadn't decided on that. And then the nativity set that I had in front of the fireplace. And then these are filters for the HVAC, as well as some lighting that we use for YouTube. And then the Christmas boxes are all at the back with the main light that we use, our soft box. And then, so we can get to that easily. And then we have the breakable stuff sort of laying here, and then this is fall decor. And in the trunk we do have some other decorations like different wreaths and things like that. And then up here is a little bit of school stuff and then some Easter stuff. So you can actually walk in the floor now, and before it was hard to even get in the door in this room. So we did do a little bit of a declutter. Most of it was just broken things that we got rid of, so we didn't have like bags and bags to show of decluttering, but most everything that we put back in there that was a Christmas decoration was actually something that we used this year, and I had decluttered several things when we put the decorations out. So I was glad to see that we're actually using the stuff that we're storing. So that is it for our Christmas Undecorate and Clean with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
And now I'm fine by then.